Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get BNB in MetaMask. First, ensure you have MetaMask installed and set up on your browser or mobile device. MetaMask is a secure wallet for managing your crypto assets. We'll cover adding the Binance Smart Chain network, transferring BNB, and using it for transactions. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and confidently, ensuring you're ready to explore the BSC ecosystem. Next, you need to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. Open MetaMask, click the Network Selection drop-down at the top and choose Add Network. Then, select Custom Network and input the specific network details for Binance Smart Chain, including the network name, RPC URL, Chain ID, currency symbol, and Block Explorer URL. Double-check these details for accuracy before saving. Now that your MetaMask is configured for Binance Smart Chain, you can transfer BNB. Copy your MetaMask wallet address, which starts with 0x, from the top of the wallet interface. Then, purchase BNB from a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. When withdrawing, ensure you select the Binance Smart Chain network, also known as BEP20, for the transfer to your MetaMask address. Confirm all details before sending to avoid any loss of funds. With BNB in your MetaMask, you can now interact with the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Use BNB to pay for transaction fees, also known as gas, when performing swaps or interacting with decentralized applications. You can also swap your BNB for other tokens directly within MetaMask or on various decentralized exchanges. And hey, if you're looking to keep your ride smelling great, check out the link in the description for a fantastic car air freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.